AI trading versus manual trading. AI trading, harnessing artificial intelligence, is transforming the trading landscape. It uses algorithms for decision-making, providing efficient and quick insights based on vast amounts of data. On the contrary, manual trading relies on personal strategies, intuition, and direct control for trading decisions. Understanding both methods is crucial to align them with different investment goals and risk tolerance. AI trading uses preset algorithms that respond to market movements. It employs trading bots and advanced quantitative methods for predicting market trends. This technology utilizes neural networks and historical market data to make quick, informed decisions. AI trading offers unmatched speed, processing vast data much faster than any human could. It also minimizes the risk of human errors and emotional decisions, allowing for logical decision-making based on data analysis. However, it isn't without its challenges, including software glitches and complex programming. Manual trading involves individuals making their own trading decisions based on their understanding of market trends. It requires skills like in-depth market knowledge and quick decision-making abilities. Manual traders observe market trends, interpret complex charts, and apply technical analysis to make educated guesses about potential price movements. Manual trading allows for a nuanced understanding of market trends and anomalies. It also values human intuition, factoring in qualitative aspects that exceed quantitative data. However, it's susceptible to human errors and emotional decisions that can lead to potential losses and requires constant vigilance that can be mentally exhausting. AI trading and manual trading each have their strengths and weaknesses. AI trading is efficient and accurate, while manual trading provides quality output given the trader's understanding of market nuances. Both methods carry inherent risks, whether from software glitches or human errors, and need to adapt to changing market dynamics. Stock Heroes Rent a Bot service allows users to harness the power of AI trading bots for seamless stock trading without needing any programming experience. With a proven high win rate, Stock Hero is a popular choice for both beginners and seasoned traders. The platform boasts a user-friendly interface offering diverse trading strategies such as DCA, grid, and advanced options. Users can refine and test their strategies risk-free on Stock Hero's paper exchange before deploying them in live markets. The platform's integration with TradingView enables automated trading based on signals, empowering users to engage in algorithmic trading without coding expertise. The integration of AI trading and manual trading could be the future of trading. Employing AI for repetitive tasks and data processing, while utilizing human expertise for complex decision-making, could result in a synergistic trading approach. This blend would ensure the best of both worlds and revolutionize the future of trading. Thank you very much for watching till the very end. Please like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.